Pelicans hit the road on Thursday night, taking on the Frederick Keys for 3 games up at Nimio Field. They wrapped things up against the Potomac Nationals at home for the 6th game of the 6-game homestand on Thursday night. Let's see how they did.
Pelicans looking for a 5th straight win on Thursday night. And once again, they scored first. One out of man at second for Chesney Young, and he ropes the ball to right center field. That one splits the gap. It is rolling and rolling and rolling. Young's going to have 3 on the play. An RBI triple for him, his 3rd triple and 24th run knocked in on the year. It is 1-0 Myrtle Beach. Nationals scored the next 3, though. The Pelicans running out of outs in the bottom of the 8th with 2 outs and the bases loaded. The 3rd pitcher of the inning, Manny Rodriguez, and Cale Brockmeyer with a ground ball up the middle. Everybody's safe on the play. No outs, 1 across. It's still a 1-run game. Trey Martin, though, would fly out to in the inning. In the top of the 9th, Michael Heesh in trouble, trying to keep it a 1-run game with 2 on. And see you later, Alec Keller. Doesn't matter. Those runners are wasted, and the Nationals leave on 9 in the ballgame, go just 2 for 11 with runners in scoring position, and set up the dramatics. Daniel Lockhart at first after a 5-pitch walk. Carlos Penalver was trying to bunt earlier in the at-bat. A 2-0 pitch, and Penalver. See you later. His first home run since May 31st, 2014, almost 14 full months, and it's a walk-off blast. The Pelicans win their 5th straight game on their 4th walk-off win of the year and their 2nd walk-off homer of the season. The last was Billy McKinney. With the win, the Pelicans maintain their best record in the league at 61-43. They've won 5 consecutive games, and they take their winning streak on the road at Frederick on Friday night. Michael Heesh, the win out of the bullpen, leads the team with 8 victories, now 8-1 as Manny Rodriguez blows the save and suffers his 3rd loss of the year. Friday's ball game at 7 o'clock when Paul Blackburn will take them out against the Keys. The Birds are back in town on Tuesday, and we send it out to Hannah to tell you what to expect when you come out to the ballpark over those 6 nights.
Thanks, Nathan. Fans, we will be right back here August 4th for Tuesday Brews Day. August 6th, Bismarck Key will join us as we host Old School Hip Hop Night with Dollar Beers. We'll wrap up the homestand with Pink in the Park Night, our last game of the Strikeout Cancer series. We'll see you at the ballpark.